Welcome back, guys. In this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to check out Sidechain Compression in Ableton Live. So here we are in Ableton Live, and I've got a kick drum on this top channel here. And I've got a pad underneath. So together at the moment they sound like this. So if we want to sidechain that pad from that kick, first of all, we're going to go up to Audio Effects, we're going to go to Dynamics, and we're going to choose a compressor. And then we're going to drag that compressor down to just after that pad synth. We're going to open it up by tapping the little arrow here. We're going to switch on Sidechain, and where it says Input here, we're going to select the kick instrument, which is this impulse at the top here. Now the signal from that impulse will trigger this compressor. So we're going to just bring the threshold down to create the effect. And once we can hear it pumping like that, we can use the attack and release knobs to set the timing. Okay, so switch the compressor off. We've gone from this to this. And that's how you do sidechain compression in Ableton Live. So if you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. I'd be really happy to answer anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.